What's going on, guys? My name is Cameron from Cameron's Reviews. I hope you're having a good day today. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to build a squeeze page with Thrive Themes and Thrive Architect inside of my WordPress blog, Cameron's Reviews. So let's just jump straight into it and let's go for it. So what we've done here is we've just done pages. We've just logged into my back end and it's already installed and all that. I've been using Thrive for quite a while. So what we do is we go all pages, add new, and we just add a title. That's all we're going to do. And then once we add the title, we just go launch Thrive Architect, and then it'll just load up in a new tab, the Architect software. So this is what it lands like. It's just a simple and basic. It shows you kind of like a blog format. It'll just show you what it looks like with nothing on it. But the wonderful thing about Thrive Architect is that it comes with all these templates already built in. So there's all these different squeeze pages that are known in the industry that work really well. So yeah, it's really fantastic for just coming in and changing the title and doing that kind of thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to use one of those templates, which is a fantastic starting block for anything. So we just click on that little cloud on the right hand side there. And these are all the templates that are just amazing. They're just incredible. There's every kind of template you can ever want. There's a coming soon, so it's an under construction kind of sign. There's blank, so you can start completely from the beginning. There's atomic. This is just a basic lead generation one. There's a squeeze page with a photo in the background. You can change the photo. You can do all that kind of stuff. There's a video course. So when people click on it, they can just go straight to the video course and they can click on the links and all that sort of stuff. They all look really professional and they're all very easy to set up. I highly recommend Thrive Architect and Thrive Themes. It's just fantastic. So what we're going to do is we're going to use Atomic today. And that's also another thing, is once you click on them, it'll come out and show you that there is multiple different ones inside of that Atomic name. So there's just the basic lead generation. There's a two-step lead generation page. There's the confirmation page. It just says thank you. Download page. So it all just looks the same and it looks fantastic, and you can just make multiple pages. There's a complete landing page, a sales page, and everything. A video sales page and a webinar streaming page. It's great. So we're going to use this lead generation page, and we'll just click choose template, and then it will just load it up completely and give it a second, and it'll come to this. It's getting there. Sometimes it takes a second to. It's just loading up your the whole squeeze page and everything, so it's nice and easy for you to edit and get going. And here it is, just like this. So what we're going to do is the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add this email here, and we're going to make sure it's connected to our email marketing website. So I use Aweber. It's a fantastic emailing service, and basically you'll just click on the box where it's the email, so it's highlighted in green right now, as you can see. That means you've selected this one. Go connect form to service. So Aweber is already set up in the back end. You do that, one of the first things you ever do when you install it. So you click on that. You click on the list that you want the people that sign up through this email address, through this email squeeze page. You choose what mailing list that they will go on. So you pop that there, and it's nice and easy. Hit continue. You can add new fields, so you can add a name field, phone. Basically, that's it. I'm just going to leave it at email for now, and it is required, of course, because otherwise that would be lame. And then post opt-in action. So you choose whether or not just to reload the page, which could confuse your visitors to your website. You can choose to redirect to a custom URL, so you just input the URL there and it will send them straight off, or you just show success notification. So we're just going to choose success notification for now, just so then nice and easy for this tutorial. And then we click save, And that's done. So that's automatically inputted into your Aweber or email account, get response, constant contact. It has them all set up. Yeah. And so now what we'll do is we'll go in and we'll edit form elements because we want to edit this get it now. So I'm going to edit this to yes. I want in. Easy as that. Now we can change the color. Let's go with a lighter green so then people can see it. Yep. And then for typography, which is the text on there, we'll change it to black. Just like that. Font size, maybe make that a little smaller so it's not quite as obnoxious. We'll go back here and yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Now also what you can do is you can change, so this is the normal state of the button. As you can see, it's just a dark green kind of thing. If we go over here to our left, we can change the hover state. So that is basically when their mouse goes over top of the button, like what will it do? Normally it changes color or something like that, but you can have it completely change the text color, the background color. I'm going to change the background color just to a bit darker, like so. And yeah, that's really all you need to do in that state. So we'll go back to normal. We might change the borders a little bit. So this here is the rounded edges. So if you just want one edge, you just choose the edge that wants to be rounded, or you can do all 4 edges of the button. And I'll put that up to say 10. Yeah, that looks nice. What else? We can go into here. And yeah, that's about it. That looks great. Okay, cool. I just have to move me out the way for a second, so we can click done at the bottom, in the bottom center of the page. We can click done, and then that's all we need to do with that. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the title. Now I've already got a preset title here, so we'll go. I'll just copy this, copy that, and then we just grab all that like so. So, and then you just click, I'm just going to Control V into it. So this is the title here. Now what we do is we obviously want it bigger. So we make sure the whole text is selected. And then we just up that up like so. That looks good. Line height. So see how the words are squished together at the moment? If we just change the line height, it'll spread them all out a little bit. Letter spacing, it is very, yeah, we want that at 0. We want it all to be capitalized, so you choose transform and then everything has to be capitalized like so. And yeah, that's basically, to change like whether or not the text is in the center of the page or on the left hand side like it is at the moment, we use this box here in the center. What we're going to do is we're going to click center it. Now, I don't like how this N is down here by itself, so we're going to make it just the font size. We're going to just go down ever so slightly until it pops up, like that. So that's nice and easy. And yeah, I don't think that looks too bad. I am going to bold it, and now it's done that thing again by itself down there. So we're just going to take that in, like that. Yeah, I think that looks good. Now, I want to change the color of just this part here because I want that to stand out more because that's a significant thing on the squeeze page, so I want people to I want it to catch their eye when they come in. So all I got to do is highlight just that, and then I can go color, and I'm going to change that to a green that kind of matches the button so it keeps the same throughout. Easy, just like that. You just click OK and it's as simple as that. So what we're going to do now is we'll move this. Actually, I might even just delete this completely because there's just no need for it. Or actually, no, I'll add it back in. So all we're going to do is to add an element is you click the little plus sign over on the right hand side. We grab I'm going to grab the paragraph box, and we're going to go, see how it says below heading? Just on my right hand side of my mouse there. we just drop it right there, and it'll add it as easy as that. Now I'm going to center this text, and I'm going to say enter your best email below for instant access. Simple as that. And I'm going to select it all, make it a little bigger. Don't want it to outweigh everything though, so that looks good. Now, this big gap in between the two here, I'm not really enjoying that. So what we're going to do is we're going to select this background section, this box here, and then we can go to position. So layout and position, we go to that, and then we can just simply drag this one up and down. See, look how fun that is. You just drag that up, and I like it about there, to be honest. The bottom, I'm not sure why that is so stretched out, but that's fine. We'll just leave it like that. It's no big deal. So yeah, and then once you're happy with it, this is a very basic squeeze page. Just as a disclaimer, like you can add things everywhere, and obviously I'll stretch that out a little bit. I'm just editing this top box, the title here, and I just wanted to stretch that out so it's kind of the same as the bottom there, just so it's more pleasing on the eye. I think that looks good. Alright, and that's good. Yeah, so this is a very basic squeeze page. This is just to show you how Thrive Architect works and how easy it is to really work. So all we do then is we hit save work, and it'll save it like a draft, and then after that we just go back, we publish the page, and it's as easy as that. It really is. If you guys want to check out the review I've done of Thrive Themes and Thrive Architects, I'll pop the link just down in the description down below, and you guys can let me know what you think. Otherwise, yeah, let me know if you got any questions. Like and subscribe for more tutorials and more reviews of everything coming up. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. Alright, speak to you soon.